Hello, dear beauties. Very warm welcome to all of you on the journey of fashion and styles with Safeera Naz. I hope so, dear beauties, you all are pretty fine, good, enjoying the very good conditions of your health. So, today, my this video, dear beauties, I am going to share with you versatile, comfortable, and stylish collection of skirts outfit. So, the skirts are the versatile and a masterpiece of clothes that could be worn for many occasions. Beautiful skirt styles and designs you will be find out in this video for your casual wear, formal wears, for your party wears, for your work wears, with beautiful colors, beautiful styles, beautiful designs, amazing stitching techniques, and amazing styling tips of skirts outfit for your different looks, for your different styles. You will get the ideas how to style your skirts outfit and how to combination of different colors, styles, skirts outfit you will carry for your different looks, for your different styles and wears. Maxi skirts, A-line style skirts, hem skirts, ruffleback style skirts, chiffon fabric skirts, cotton skirts with beautiful and stylish top blouses designs and ideas. So I hope so, dear beauties, dear girls, these skirts outfit you will really love these styles and designs. Those girls, those women who love to style their look for in skirts outfit and who love to wear skirts for their different styles and different look for their different occasions. So must watch this video, dear beauties, till the end for getting the new ideas, new styles, and new designs of skirts, dresses, net fabric skirts, chiffon fabric skirts, silk fabric skirts, patchwork style skirts for enhancing your summer styles and look in 2025. Long skirts, A-line style skirts are a very good option for your daily looks. And when flares and maxi style skirts are beautiful and stylish collection for your party wears, for your beach parties. Pencil skirts are the perfect choice for your work wears. I love all these styles. I love all these designs of skirt dresses. And I hope so, dear friends, dear beauties, you will love these styles. You will love these designs of skirt dresses. So don't forget if you are loving these styles and designs of skirt dresses, so please do like my video and do share my video with your loved one. Don't forget if you are new on my channel, so please do also subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications of my videos. So after getting the notifications of my videos, dear beauties, you will never miss any idea, any collection, any style, any design on my channel. I always try to bring YouTube videos and useful content for you on daily basis. So don't forget to tell me in the comment section, dear beauties, how was this video? How was these designs of skirt dresses? And which type of more collection, which type of more styles and designs of fashion trends you want to watch on my channel? Which type of more videos will be useful and helpful for you? Tell me in the comment section. I really try my best to make my videos according to your opinions. So dear beauties, must share your kind opinions in the comment section. I will be very thankful to you if you are going to share your opinions in the comment section. I have already uploaded a huge collection of trending styles, fashion trends on my channel. So for more amazing ideas, for more collection, for more styles, and for more designs of dresses and fashion trends, please do visit on my channel and watch the other videos of fashion and styles. You will get the ideas of skirt dresses, you will get the ideas of maxi dresses, formal wears, casual wear dresses, mother of the bride dresses, shoes collections, bags collections, top blouses, shirt dresses, daily wear dresses. So a lot of new styles, new designs of fashion trends about women's and girls styles. You will be find out on my channel, Dear Beauties. So must visit on my channel and watch the other videos of fashion and styles. I hope so. Those videos will also be useful and helpful for you, and you will get new ideas, new styles, and new designs from those videos. Dear beauties, the purpose of my video is just to get the new styles and new designs from you, just for entertaining purpose, giving you a new ideas, new styles, and new designs of skirt dresses. I hope so you will love these styles and designs of skirt dresses. So must watch video till the end. Very beautiful, very stylish designs, versatile collection of skirt dresses coming up next in this video. Thank you so much, dear beauties, for watching my video. Please keep visiting on my channel for more collection, for more ideas, for more styles, and for more designs. Don't forget to like and share my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and also giving your feedback in the comment section, dear beauties. So goodbye till the next video. See you soon with a new collection of ideas, styles, designs for you. So till then, take good care of yourselves. Goodbye. Watch the video till the end and enjoy these styles, these designs of 2025 skirt dresses. So let's enjoy.